Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your operating system and creating a quick fallback. This protects you if a font change breaks layout. Once done, open Settings directly. On Windows, go to Start Settings Personalization. On Mac OS, choose Apple Menu System Settings Fonts. Make sure you have administrator rights. Without them, you can't install system fonts. Also, locate any custom font files you intend to install, typically TTF or OTF, so you can add them immediately when prompted. Now you install and apply the font. On Windows, right-click the TTF/OTF and choose Install for all users. For a system-wide change, you may edit registry keys or use a reputable font manager. On Mac OS, add fonts via Fontbook and validate them. Then set preferred fonts inside individual app preferences when system-wide replacement isn't supported. Once installed, close and reopen affected applications, or sign out and back in to ensure new fonts propagate. Keep original font names handy in case you need to revert. Finish by verifying the change across applications and UI elements. Open a document, a browser, and system menus to confirm consistency. If something looks off, remove the newly installed font, use your restore point, or restore the original registry entries. This quickly returns the system to a stable state. If you still see problems, clear the font cache and reboot, and validate the font file for corruption. A corrupt file causes rendering glitches. One key tip: keep a working backup of any replaced system font until you're satisfied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.